In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Analytics property. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or just need a refresher, follow along and you'll have it ready in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Analytics webpage. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be able to create and manage all your analytics properties. Simply head over to the Analytics tools and solutions for your business on the Google Analytics website. If you're following along on your own computer, it might be helpful to have the page open as we go through this process. Once you have the Google Analytics page open, the next step is to sign in. Click on the Sign into Analytics option you see on the page. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so now. Make sure you use the account associated with your business or personal use of Google Analytics. It's crucial to have access to the correct account to streamline the setup process. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the Google Analytics homepage. Once there, you'll find the heart of Google Analytics. This is where you'll be able to access all the tracking and data you will collect moving forward. Click on the Google Analytics home to proceed, and you'll find yourself on the main overview page where all your properties and accounts are listed. Look for the settings option next. It's often depicted with a gear icon, much like many other applications. Hover over it and click on Settings. Accessing the settings menu is a key step as it allows you to tweak and learn more about your analytics setup. Within the settings area, you'll see the option to create a new setup. Click on Create to move forward, as this will allow you to initiate the process of adding a new property to your Google Analytics account. This area is designed to guide you through the process step by step, so it's quite intuitive once you're familiar with the layout. Finally, after pressing Create, you'll see a prompt to click on Property. This step is essential because this is where you enter the specifics of the website or app you wish to track. Here, you'll name your property, specify the reporting time zone, and mention the currency for financial data, if applicable. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a new property to your Google Analytics account. Remember, having accurate data is vital for understanding your website or app's performance and making informed decisions. Keep exploring and customizing your account to fully harness the power of Google Analytics. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.